Fair, Nelson City, Waring, Lake Hills, Cliff, Twin Sisters, Kronkowski State Natural Area. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, Guadalupe County, Southern Bastrop County, Central Gonzales County, West Central Fayette County, Wilson County, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kyle to near New Braunfels to near Somerset, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Lockhart, Gonzales, Floresville, Luling, Poth, Stockdale, Kosciuszko, Nixon, La Vernia, Wilder, Kingsbury, New Berlin, Staples, Fentress, Sutherland Springs, Palmetto State Park, Rosanki, Pandora, and Cistern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m.